What's up? My name is Teal Safian, and I have been using Goodico for only like a week, and I'm really loving it so far. I have the nourishing routine with the 3 oils, and it just leaves my skin feeling amazing, and it's not too oily. I have done oil cleansing before, and I've always been left with like just feeling really oily. So I love it. And I don't wear a lot of makeup. I've already seen some benefits, and I'm actually going to try the supercharged trio next because I have acne prone skin and I want to take my skincare to the next level. And even with the nourishing so far, I haven't broken out any more than usual. I'm just so in love with it, and it makes my skin feel great. And I cannot wait to try the supercharged routine. I'm gonna get the 3 plus the cleansing polish, and then record my results because I am super excited.